Good morning, guys. So far the forecast has held off on the snow. I think I'll take 28 and sunny over 35 and rain any day of the week, but that's what we've got today so far. I've set up a little shade so I can keep my tools dry, but I'm going to get back at this frame, get it set up, and get started on the second one. Now to finish off the top plate on this, I've got a joint right here on the bottom plate, and I don't want to have another joint in the same spot on the top, so I'm going to break it up, and I'll have three pieces make up this final panel here. Now for the top piece, I bought bolts that will go all the way through all three of them. I'm definitely going to want to pre-drill those. Well, unfortunately, the batteries in my rotating laser are dead, and I don't feel like driving to town, so I'm going to improvise. I'm going to put up a couple steel stakes in a string line level, and then I'll measure the difference between the two pads. I'll cut the bottom of the posts off so that when it's sitting on the pads, it will be level across the top. Well, I've got exactly 2 inches of difference between the two sides. That's pretty good for eyeballing it. But this side is 2 inches lower than the other, so this leg will be 2 inches longer than the other. Dang it. Hit the screw. Hey guys, a couple weeks ago I pinned a comment in one of my videos about a big windstorm that we were about to have. Well, we didn't lose any trees on my street, but my power was out for 25 hours. And while the power was out, I used my O bulb and my O lantern to light up the house. It was awesome. And tonight, January 25th, starts another sale. And if you've never checked out the Olights, you really should. If you've watched the channel, I've been talking about them quite a bit. They have one of my favorite lights coming out in a special edition. It is a brass i5T. This uses a AAA battery. This makes an awesome little 300 lumen headlamp. Limited edition. They go fast. This is not plated. This is solid machined brass. It is a very cool unit. Also on sale is the super compact S1R Baton 2. This is a tiny rechargeable light, 1000 lumens. Again, it will clip right onto your hat and you instantly have a 1000 lumen headlamp. This might be my new favorite light. And of course, every rechargeable flashlight comes with a magnetic charging cord. If 1000 lumens on your hat isn't going to do it, how about 2000 lumens in this tiny rechargeable Baton Pro? It will also fit on your hat. One of my favorite features. Absolute insane power. These 3 lights go on sale, plus some others starting tonight at 8 o'clock Eastern. Use my link below to save 10% on anything that's not in this sale. Otherwise, you're going to save big money on these. If you get yourself your first Olight, I doubt it would be your last. I have a bunch of these now, and I love every single one of them, and I use them all the time. Click my link below. You can get all the details on the sale, and if you see something you like that's not in this sale, you can save 10% by using my checkout code NS10. Go check out Olight. You'll be glad you did. Well, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's been snowing for a couple hours, or at least trying to. It's picked up here in the last half hour. I'm so close though, I don't want to stop. I want to try and get this other side up tonight. So same thing, I'm gonna run my string line, set my pads, trim the post so that it'll sit level across the top, and get it stood up. I don't want to brag or anything, but I dug those two within a ½ inch of each other, just eyeballing it. Not too shabby. Okay, so well guys, that is going to do it for this weekend. I honestly didn't expect to get this thing finished. It's just too much work for one person. I did have a friend offer to come help me, and I wish I would have taken him up on it now, but I'm pretty happy with where we're at. We'll see how much more this snow falls. The camera doesn't really pick up how dark it's getting, but it is getting dark and the ground is getting white. If I don't work tomorrow, I will continue working on this. I appreciate you guys following this project. Give my Olight link a check out. They're honestly an awesome product. I use them literally every day. I've been using them at work every day, using them around the house, and I know you wouldn't be disappointed. Until next time, be safe everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.